So that kind of leads me into my next segment of customer service and relationship management. So what systems have you thought up or put into practice that really helps to make sure that the the tenant is having a good customer experience there at your property?
Sure. So whether that's me or my staff, we all have a commitment that we're going to respond to calls or emails within 24 hours. Obviously, if it's an emergency, it's much quicker than that. And we really rely a lot on our property management software. There's a lot of great ones out there. We particularly like Buildium, which is what we use. And that's great because it not only provides the tenants a means for submitting maintenance requests, which is what people most often think of here, and then they can track that. You can post updates so that they know when to expect the repairs to be completed. But then they can also access other important documents that they might need, whether it be their lease or a parking agreement. They can also see their lease ledger so they can understand what exactly they're being charged for, trying to provide as much transparency in that process as we can. And I know that those softwares aren't free. In fact, they can get really expensive. But if you are even just a handful of properties, I think it's something worth thinking about, because I believe that not only does it improve your tenants' lives, it certainly makes things better for your rental owners. One of the strong commitments that we have is that the owners that we work with get accurate data on the financial performance of their property, and it provides for that, but it then also allows you to grow your business faster.
Yep. Yeah, that open communication with the tenants is really important. So like you said, they can see where they're at with their balance. Some tenants might be like, well, I didn't know I was behind, or I didn't know I had this charge. Mm-hmm. So if you say, well, it's right there in the portal. What's your kind of use rate? Are tenants actually logging in and checking?
Yeah, absolutely. I would say close to 80 to 85% of the tenants use Buildium to pay their rent online. There are some tenants who various circumstances can only pay via money order, but that's for a number of different reasons. It's something that's pretty widely accepted, especially in today's day and age. We call it the Amazon mentality, where people just expect to be able to do a lot from their phones. Buildium has a great app, and to be able to pretty much execute their entire lives through the course of an app. And the fact that you can do that now for someone's home is really an advantage.
Yeah, nice.
Want to hear more on this topic? Click the link below for the full episode of Maximizing Your Property Value.